Introducing the Union Garage Tool Roll, a compact and comprehensive motorcycle maintenance kit. This 50-piece tool set includes everything needed to perform both roadside repairs and regular service, from basic tasks like oil changes, valve and timing adjustments, to complete carburetor overhauls and electrical troubleshooting. We based our design on the best-known example, the original factory BMW toolkits that came as standard equipment with the company's legendary air-cooled twins for more than 30 years. But for as good as those originals were, it's been decades since the last Airhead rolled off the production line, and the plastic tool rolls most came equipped with have long since started to disintegrate. With the Union Garage brand tool roll, we look to retain all the same functionality as the original while making a number of key improvements. First, we made it bigger, with a large waxed cotton flap that opens up to create a clean roadside workbench. And we added sturdy brass eyelets into the roll's reinforced leather corners so it can hang above a shop bench. More than just emergency service, this kit was designed for regular use with a full complement of quality tools. We chose Bondus Allen keys and Leatherman pliers, both superior to the original BMW tools and both made in the US. We also included some German-made Hakko hand tools, lightweight open-end wrenches with a durable black phosphate finish, a quality convertible screwdriver, and a compact test light. We added extras too, like a US-made tire pressure gauge and a Moleskine maintenance log. Some aspects of the tool roll selection were made specifically with BMWs in mind, like the two 12mm wrenches needed for setting the valves on any vintage Airhead. And we made sure the tool roll could still fit into the standard underseat BMW tool tray. But we were careful to include tools that will work with any metric motorcycle. The polished micro ratchet wrench, for example, is perfect for working in tight spaces. Between the 20-piece bit set, the folding T-handle quarter-inch socket driver, and the universal spark plug wrench, this tool roll will work with almost any breed of bike. We turned to Squarefoot Crafts in Manhattan's Garment District to help design, source, and manufacture these tool rolls right here in New York City. The tailor-made final product is constructed of rugged waxed cotton and leather, and it's ready for decades of dedicated service.